Hello everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have my unbagging of my Beautylish Lucky Bag. If you guys don't follow me on any of my social media, the reason why this was not up on Sunday like I expected and wanted to, and I planned on it, is because Mr. Man got sick. He got sick Thursday night and was sick all the way until Sunday, so I did not film at all this past weekend. No editing, no nothing. Like, I just barely got a video up on Sunday night. So I do apologize for stating that I was going to have this video up on Sunday and then it did not happen. I was just as upset as I'm sure some of you are, because I've been dying to see what the heck is in this box. Now, I haven't opened it. Just a fair warning, my last year's Lucky Bag was terrible. I got a nail polish, a brush, and that's the only thing that I liked. Eyeshadow palette, which I already owned, a liquid glow for your body, and a sheet mask. That's what I got last year. So it was nothing extravagant, nothing special and unique. I was very upset about it, but I spoke to Dre about it and I figured there's only one way to go, and that's up. But I am not holding myself, like I'm not holding my breath, because I have looked at other unbaggings of this and I probably own it all. So if this one isn't that good, I'm not even going to get it next year. I'm going to skip it, and I might do the ColourPop mystery bags. I think that was fun and I didn't own anything that everyone unbagged. So anyway, I am going to undo this. Everyone has read this thing, so I'm not even going to read it to you because I'm sure you guys have heard it over and over. I'm not even going to look in this bag. I'm just going to pull out and search. How's that sound? So let's just finally. And I have a feeling I probably already own some of this stuff. Alright, so the first thing is a Viseart palette, which I already own. Oh goodness, it's alright though. This one is the Amethyst one, which is the purple one. And I do own this one. It is very pretty. I'm actually happy I got this versus the Anastasia one, because I would have been really mad about that. Last year I got this same exact one but a different shade, and I actually gifted that to my friend Lisa. This one's all purple, so I have a feeling it might go to somebody else who likes purple, since I already own this, and I'm pretty sure she doesn't own this yet. So I at least know that that one will find a good home. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, this is the Becca Glow on the Go in rose gold, which I do not own any of. Yay! I don't own rose gold in the press version or the liquid version. Oh, how cool. So I wanted to try the liquid version of this. Let's see. Well, I don't want to open it up yet because I don't want to. But I know I'm going to use this one. This one's the rose gold. This might be a little bit dark for me right now, but I think we can get away with it in the summer. I don't own this one. Yeah, this will definitely be something for the summertime. And I'm happy that this is in a mini version. All right, we're not doing too bad, guys. We're not doing too bad compared to what I've seen. So this one is a winner. The first one isn't bad. I'm not going to lie to you. I am happy that I got a Viseart palette, because that one's definitely a better one than what I've seen. All right, let's see what else I got. Again. Oh, you guys, I got one last year and I got another one this year. This one's in the color, oh, this is terrible shade for me. Skin Deep. I don't know what to do with this one. I'm not going to use this one. I don't like the color. I don't like the brand. I'm going to have to figure out what to do with it. I don't know. Should I put this in a giveaway? Are you guys going to get offended if I do that in a giveaway? I don't know. You guys are going to have to let me know. Then I got this, which I don't know what this is. Let's see. Let's see. This is, oh, a blush by Surratt, which I have heard really good things about this blush brand. Okay, my Beautylish bag is not bad this year. I'm shocked. Ooh, look at this shade. Holy cow. That is bright. Look at that. This is in the color Artistic Blush Classique. Oh my gosh. This is pigmented. It actually, no joke, it looks like my eyeshadow today. Wow, but it's sheer, so it's not bad. Okay. I'm not mad at this one either. So far, one I really don't like, which is the liquid lipstick. But the other things, yes. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, I guess. No, we have 2 more. Ooh, I got a Wayne Goss number 13 brush. Ooh, which one's this one? Is it a face one, I'm assuming? Okay, I don't want to. Ooh, oh, that is pretty. I think it is for blush. Oh, that is really nice. Okay, all right, not bad. See, I went in here trying to be optimistic, but I knew I was being a pessimist, and it actually is not bad. Last but not least is, I'm pretty sure, I knew I was going to get this because everyone has been getting this. This is the Good Molecules coming soon, Beautylish. And what did I get? What is this one? This is the Super Peptide Serum. Oh, so it's not an eye serum? Everyone was getting this eye serum. No. It's formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Perfect. Apply 1 drop in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds. Okie doke. I don't mind that one at all. I was hoping to not get the eye one. Oh, wow. Look at me this year. I'm not doing so bad. And that's it, guys. That is it for my lucky bag this year. So let's just put this down and let's recap. I am not mad at this because it is not an eye cream, and that's what I didn't want. And this is, I can use this in day and at night, so I will get use out of that. I am super happy about this one. I don't own this in either or, so this is perfect because it's not an additional thing to my collection. This I will not use, period, end of story. So I don't know what to do with this, you guys. I don't know anyone close to me that is willing to use this or will get use out of this. I don't know, to save it for a giveaway and somebody gets offended by it. So I don't know what to do with this. You guys are gonna have to let me know because I don't know what to do with that. The Surratt blush in Classique, which is gorgeous. I don't have too many shades like this in my collection. I've never tried this formula or this brand, so I'm happy that I am able to try it. And it looks like my eyeshadow, so I could even probably use this as an eyeshadow as well. Last but not least is this Viseart palette. If I don't already love this brand and own it, I would have been super excited for this. I'm very happy I have it. I am going to save it as a gift for somebody who loves purple. So she'll get this because last year Lisa got the other one I got. So they both got one each. So that is, oh, and this, and the brush. The brush, awesome. I'm happy with this brush. I'm not complaining. I think it is great. I'm going to get use out of it. So I just got to remember that I have it because I tend to forget that I have brushes and I rotate them often. So that's my lucky bag. Overall, I am content. I am happy. One I really didn't like, and the others I'm pretty good with. I am actually super excited about it. I was dreading mine. I'm not going to lie to you. I was dreading it. I saw a lot of people get the Anastasia Soft Glam, and I already had that. I saw a lot of people get things that I already owned. And I understand that this is a lottery thing, and I would recommend this for somebody who doesn't have a lot of makeup, who doesn't do a lot of shopping, because then it will be a fun thing to try out. But I lucked out this year. I really did luck out this year, so I'm happy. Very, very happy. So you are still in the running for next year. Ooh, let's see how next year goes. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will list and link these down in the description box. If you did get one of these lucky bags, let me know what you got in them. And I'm very curious because I know a few of you did get this that watch my channel, and I'd love to see what you got. Let me know if we got something similar or something different. So that is it. I will catch you guys in another video, probably tomorrow. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.